Hello, Tom Butts, Accelerated Concepts. We're going to show you today how to replace an AT&T VPN gateway. And we're going to show you a couple models here, but it can be any models. This is an 8100, there's 8200s, 8300s. Let's not worry about what the numbers are. We're just going to talk about the process associated with the replacement. Step one is we got to take the new box. And what we want to make sure we do is we want to make sure the Ethernet cables go on the exact same ports on the new box as the old box. The other thing we want to make sure we do is replace the power supply with this box with a new one. So when we come back, I'll have unboxed it. It's pretty straightforward. We'll show you some LEDs things to make sure you understand, and the process only takes a minute. Be right back. Okay guys, I've got the new box. This is an AT&T U110. Yours could look different. Again, we're focusing in on the process. What I did is I also took the cellular antennas out of the box and attached them to the device itself. Make sure you do that, even if you're not going to use them. If you don't put them on now, I guarantee you they're going to be lost. So go ahead and put those LT antennas, if you've got them in the box, which you will, onto that device. And I've set it right on top of it. So you notice they both have a similar set of LEDs. And what I want you to focus on is there's a power online VPN. There's a whole bunch of other LEDs in here, but we only concern ourselves power. See, they match. Online they match, VPN they match. So we want to make sure those same lights come out in the same way. And again, I want to reiterate, we want to go 1 for 1 on the Ethernet cable. So if you look at the back of this device, it'll have ports numbered 1 through 8, WAN, WAN 2, all kinds of stuff. We're going to do the same thing on here because we don't know what each port does. We want to make sure on the same. I'm not going to videotape that, but 1 to 1, 2 to 2, we come back, those will be done, and we'll tell you the final steps of the process. Thank you. Okay guys, I've removed the old box and the old power supply. Absolutely critical. You can't use the same power supply, and you don't want to anyway. This is the thing that fails first in all devices because of the torture it takes from the electrical network. So power supply's out, box is out. We're going to set those aside. I plug the Ethernet ports in exactly the same as the current unit. I've got the new power supply, and I'm actually going to reuse the power cord itself because a lot of times it's real hard to dig out from behind something. So I plug that in. I'm going to plug this into the back of the U110. And things interesting about this one is it's keyed. So it only can go in a certain way and it locks in place. And the way you take it out is you pinch it. So I'm going to stick that in. And now all we have to do is make sure that this box comes back online. So we're going to be looking at the LEDs. We're interested in the power light, the online light, and the VPN. Once the VPN's on, we know we're done. We can send the box back or whatever AT&T has instructed you to do with the old device, and we're done with this process. The whole process, as you see, takes 2 minutes. Okay guys, we're back, and again, the 3 LEDs we care about, power, online, VPN, are all lit. We're at the end of the job. Hope you have a good time. See you.